Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can install Scarlet app on your iPhone without a computer, and also I will let you know that if it is even possible. So to install Scarlet we have to open a browser. I'm using Safari, then search for Scarlet, and then this is the web page. Go for the first result and make sure this website is too glitchy and too ads pops up, so make sure about that. Just scroll down, install, and when we click install we will be redirected to another page. So yeah, lots of pop-ups. So as you can see, let's head back to our previous page. Install. All right, again ads, so let's try to close this. Okay, it might take a couple of times. Let me do it as okay. Oh no, we are directed. Download. Again open, press open. Now we go. So we have the install button. Tap here, close it, and as you can see, Scarlet is installing and it didn't install. So when you tap here, it says unable to install Scarlet. This app cannot be installed because its integrity cannot be verified. So yeah, this is what happens if you try to install Scarlet without a computer. Scarlet doesn't work. It doesn't install. This iPhone is preventing this installation. It doesn't like that you are installing a third party without their permission. So this is why they won't allow you to install it without a computer. That's why you need a computer in order to install Scarlet. You can try to do it. So this will pop up, but for some users it will work as well. But without that, this is what happens. There is a solution. If you do that, it might work without a computer. The solution is that you simply have to reset your phone. So you just have to reset your phone. The solution is that, and that too, it might work or it may not work. So this is the only way. If you want to install Scarlet without a phone, then this problem might occur. So you have to do it with a computer, and I'm not going to show you how you can do it with a computer. There are a lot of videos, you can search it. But if you want to do it without a computer, so they won't allow you to. So yeah, hope this video helpful. Hope I am able to make you clear about things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.